Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Das Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you're a new member, go to my channel, watch all the videos, and if you're liking it, then go hit the subscribe button to be a part of this huge big family. And for the ones who want additional services, you can anytime WhatsApp our team 7892652481, or else you can visit our website smarttrader.co. So today's video we are going to show you what are the indicators which I use in my intraday trading, because most of them have questions of what are the indicators we have to use, what are the settings. So I thought, rather than telling about all the indicators, first let me tell you what are the indicators which I use generally or basically during live trading or intraday trading or observations. So hope this video or whatever I'm sharing will help you out. If it helps you out, then hit that like button and support us. Thank you so much. So what are the technical indicators which I use for my intraday trading is the question. So a lot of people ask this particular question. So I thought I will make one video, brief video, so that you guys will get an idea of which are the ones which I use and what are the settings for it and how I use it and what are the best ones when you can try it out when you observe the market. So the few ones which you would have seen in most of my videos, I keep changing the indicators, I keep using it as a combo, and you've seen a lot of strategies in my previous videos of different combos, right? So one of the best one which I love is the super trend. If you see, I have done so many strategy videos on this particular super trend, and in live trading and observation also I have showed you how to use the super trend most of the time. This is a very good indicator. Any beginner or basic starting person will get an idea over looking at this particular graph. If you see, I always use candlestick chart. I use always candlestick chart, and I always use 3 minutes for intraday. Okay, 3 minutes for the chart, and later I take other minutes for confirmations. So if you see, this one gives a clear picture of buy and sell. If you see morning time, the movements are really good. Later part, it will become very bad because of the movement volatility reduces and the stock may not give you that particular exact signal. But however, this particular the indicator super trend is almost 70% accurate. If you use it logically, 70% is accurate, but you have to add few more indicators to make your strategy more better. The next one which I use is the RSI. Okay, so I used again the same default settings for RSI. If you see, RSI will help you out, as I've shown you in my one of my tutorial video. If you're not seen, go watch the tutorial video to know what is the logic of RSI. Without knowing the logic and how the calculation is done, no point in looking at RSI, right? So RSI will help you in overbought and oversold. So this one gives me a confirmation that yes, stock is in already up, and if I'm looking at the stock at exact 10:30, then I'll be like, no, it's not the right time, because even super trend has already gone up higher too much, and when the RSI is in the peak, and that is when I should not enter a stock right now. And if you see over here, I have a sell confirmation, and that is when I can take the opportunity of selling. But as the stock is already so much bullish, I would wait for this particular stock, and once the RSI is bit down, and once the super trend go hits the red line wherever it creates, it may go down or it may stay here depending on the next movement of the stock. Once it hits, that is the confirmation which I will get, okay, logically saying that this stock is already bullish. When the market is down, the stock is bullish, and currently people are selling because it is overbought. And later, once the selling is done, the stock has to hit the super trend, and that is when I'm going to get my 0.3 or whatever above percent. That is the observation what you can do with particular RSI and the super trend. Apart from that, I use Bollinger Bollinger Band, so default setting. So Bollinger Band also helps you. If you see, once it hits the upper layer of the Bollinger Band, the stock will surge up like this, and once it crosses the middle line, it has opportunity to come down also. So same way, once before it goes hits the super trend, this Bollinger Band has to go and cross this middle line and then hit the confirmation. So once it crosses the center line, that is when you will start observing when the stock is gonna hit the super trend. You'll be waiting for the order. Once it crosses, you will be waiting with all the calculations. Once the super trend is completed, when I say completed, it should complete like this, because right, once it touches, it will come back and there will be false signal. So it has to hit that, and then you have to get a green signal after that next candle, and that is when the stock will have an opportunity to go up from there at least 0.3 to above percent more than that. That's the observation which you can do. So kindly observe. These are just for observation. Now don't go to trading based on this. Learn and observe on each stock every day. So Bollinger Band is done, and one more I will add is MACD, which you would have seen in all my video. MACD. So these crossovers will help you. If you see when it went above zero line, it had a good boom from here, and then yes, this is the peak and a good crossover. It has gone down. Currently it's going below zero. If it goes below zero, it will be a little more fall for this particular stock, right? And after once it crossovers above this zero line, that is when my stock will go up from here. That is a consideration. And the more it crosses over, when black should be above and red should be below. So once the crossover is above, my stock can go towards my super trend. So there are various ways confirmation you will get. So this is one simple indicator, the best and effective indicator, which you can use in a different combo, different logic. Every indicator will help you 50-60%, okay, because everyone have the same indicator. It's not that I have a different indicator, you have a different indicator. We all have a same indicator, just that how you use it is important. That is when you have to add logic to it. Once you add your logic to it and make your different combos and use your logic also along with different combos, you have to use logic at particular situation in the market. Every day is a different situation. It's like putting you on test. So your logical thinking has to work, your logics along with this indicators knowledge, you have to mix both, and that is when you can bring out a good trade, because trading is all about positive and negative, either profit or loss. There is no point in telling I made loss, I made profit. The more you think and plan and how you avoid your loss is when you will make your profit. So try to use all these indicators and clear all your trades, and try to choose the best stock. And it's not just seeing the stock is up today, this stock is particular stock is up today, market is, for example, market is up, I will buy. See, the stock will come down, right? Even if it is 1% stop loss, it would have hit your 1% stop loss. So when you see a chart, you need to understand currently where is the stock, right? It's not about the whole day. Currently there's a lot of tricks in the starting, but due to volatility you can hit those, but later part of the day you need to analyze the chart. Even a stock which has gone up can come down. You have to see when I can enter the stock. Should I sell the stock over here, or should I wait for the stock patiently once it hits the super trend and crosses over the Bollinger above line? And once if RSI comes to 20 levels or 30 levels, is it oversold and is it done down rally? And when MACD will cross over above, that is when should I look into. All these things you have to keep in factor one super trend hit with all this completion, and that is when you have to observe. So a lot of ways you need to see, not just entering, oh, stock is above and buy here, later stock comes still down, hits your stop loss, and you're done for the day. So you need to be very careful while choosing things. I hope this sharing of my indicators and the way I use it would help you out. If you like such video, then go hit that like button, and also share this video with all your friends. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.